Just a quick tutorial I got for you here on how to download WhatsApp status updates without using a third-party application or requesting others to send you their posts. Let's dive into the tutorial. So first, open WhatsApp and view the status you want to download. After viewing it, exit WhatsApp and open your phone's file manager. In the file manager, go to the settings and enable the option to show hidden files. This option allows you to see system or app files that are normally hidden to prevent accidental modification or deletion. These files typically start with a period and are not protected by any security settings. They are hidden mainly to avoid clutter in directory listings. Next, navigate to your phone's internal storage. Scroll down until you find the WhatsApp folder and open it. Inside the WhatsApp folder, open the Media folder. Here, you will see a folder named .statuses, which contains all the statuses you have viewed on WhatsApp. To save a status, tap and hold the desired status for a moment to select it. Then, tap on the 3 vertical dots at the top corner to drop additional options. From here, you can decide to move or copy the status to another location on your phone's storage. It's important to move the status from the .statuses folder because WhatsApp automatically deletes these files after 24 hours. And that's it. You now know how to download WhatsApp status updates directly to your phone. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like the video and share it with others. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. With that, I'll say goodbye for now. See you in future tutorials.